What's going on, guys?
Hey y'all, what's up?
I got Christopher Kazmarek here, and I don't know why. Every time I go fishing in a boat, for some reason, there's always a hiccup. He went to go get the boat, and the plug wasn't in it, and he couldn't find the plug. So guess who had to stop at Wally World to go get a plug? This guy. But we got him in the back of the boat. We are literally going right down the street because the pond is just on the other side of the houses and stuff right there. So, but stay tuned. He said they're already jumping, so it should be a good day. We're gonna catch some fish. Probably use some flukes, spinner baits, something in the mid-range because it's actually chilly here in Florida. It's like 56 degrees right now, but the wind's gonna be blowing, so it could be a little tough. So that's why we're probably gonna go in the underneath the water, maybe some top water if I feel so froggy. But anyway, stay tuned as always. Check out keenkraken.com for all your King Kraken gear as well. Also follow me on Instagram at Bill_Sneed. Stay tuned. There we go. Oh, dang it, Christopher.
There you go. Telling you, they're here, dude.
They're right here, Chris.
Oh, they're right here.
God, there's got to be a fish right there. Yep.
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 There you go, buddy. It's a good one, too. Told you.
I threw it right there, and I was like, dude, there's got to be a fish right there.
Yep. Good job, dude. Good job, buddy.
Oh, the skunk is off the boat.
Yep.
Woo 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 woo.
Heck yeah, dude.
The skunk is off the boat.
Did you catch him in that rib?
Right in the middle of all that stuff right there. He ain't a beast, but hey, we'll take him. See you later, little buddy. There it is. There he is. There he is. Yay. We'll take a little peckerhead.
Yeah, I'll take a little peckerhead all day. Yeah. I don't take it too. Look how deep that farm is.
Yep.
Right there.
He grabbed it pretty good, didn't he?
Missed his eyeball.
Yeah.
Buddy.
There he is.
Yeah, man.
He ain't a monster,
No.
but we'll take him. Alright. Christopher got the skunk off of his rod, so we're good. Actually, pull us back a little bit, because right here at the edge where the sand and all of that little transition, that's a nice pro team tip right there. Any transition, boys and girls, of whether, I don't care if it's weeds, if it's different bottom, that is a great spot for the fish to hang out. It's something different, and that right there, we could probably let the old, I may let this fluke kind of sink down a little bit, but yeah, keep throwing up against that where that sand and that stuff transitions, because that's a good little spotty spot right there. There we go. There's another one. There we go. Found Chris's hot corner for the little guys. Hey, whoa, hey man, we're in a little boat. Don't be jerking around too fast like that. Oh. Okay. He's gonna flip me out of this boat.
There you go, buddy.
So, all right, I was reeling that in, and he just said, "I will take that from you, sir," and that's what happened.
That's what they do out here.
Ooh, good hook set right on top of the, right there. Look at that. That fluke is working. Hi everybody, how you doing today? Bill is crazy, just so you know. looks like a really good cast right there. There's a little bit better fish. Yeah, he nailed it as soon as it came off the top of those lily pads. Yeah, he's about a poundy. Yeah, we'll take him. You know why? Because we have to, Christopher. Oh, Chris is hooked into a Mondo. Oh, this is a little guy. Chris Cam. Woo! There we go. Come on, guy. No, I'm still gonna pitch. There he is. See? There we caught another one. We caught a good one. The Chris Cam. It's a decent fish. Biggest one of the day. Might be 2 pounds. We may have to weigh him.
Oh, yeah, that was a good one.
We may have to weigh him. Chris got big fish.
Yeah, buddy.
Alright.
You hit that shit right when it hit the
Yep,
water.
right when it hit the water, didn't it?
Oh, yeah, buddy.
Hold on, sweetness.
Yeah.
You're already on Chris Cam.
Heck yeah.
Already on the field. Oh, come on. £1, we'll call it 1 pound 12 ounces. Almost 2. Pound and 3/4. I like it. I like it.
You hit that thing right when it hit the water.
Ooh, coming in. Add a pepper.
That was fun right there.
Yes, sir. Well, everybody, we had a good day out on the lake today. Thank you, Christopher, for taking me out.
You're welcome.
I need that hat back. You can't have it.
Nope, I'm having it.
Nope.
I'll give you
No.
money.
He give you money. I bought it, but I'm going to give him money for taking it. You son of a. But that wind was just kicking our butt. We didn't have an anchor, but thank God we got the plug, right?
Yep,
Yeah.
plug for the
So Walmart had one. Thank you, Walmart. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. KingKraken.com for all your King Kraken gear, and follow me on Instagram at Bill_Sneed. Have a wonderful day, and we'll catch you later.